Rakornas kali ini membahas kebijakan, program, serta langkah reaktivasi dan pemulihan pariwisata dan ekonomi kreatif yang terdampak pandemi COVID-19.
Tourism is an important item for economic development, both regionally and nationally. With the inhibition of regional tourism growth, it will certainly affect economic development as well.
Kemenparekraf akan menerapkan 3 strategi dalam mempercepat pemulihan pariwisata di Indonesia.
The thing that hinders the development of tourism today is the culture of the people who are not ready to accept tourists. There is also a lack of infrastructure in some areas. No matter how good the tourist attractions are, if the problem is not found a solution, of course tourists will be bored and can no longer visit. This will certainly reduce tourist interest and have an impact on economic development in the region. In the economic field, local residents will be helped again because many tourists have come to tour the area. By regulation, of course, there are many policies to overcome this problem, both from the central and regional governments. Now it's just a matter of raising awareness together to implement this regulation.
Pemerintah melalui Kementerian Pariwisata dan Ekonomi Kreatif menyusun sejumlah strategi dalam rangka untuk memulihkan kembali sektor pariwisata dan ekonomi kreatif di tengah pandemi COVID-19.
Another problem that is currently happening is the inhibition of tourism due to COVID-19. The reason is that the COVID-19 pandemic has a significant impact on national tourism, especially in the Bali area. Many tourist attractions must be closed to reduce the spread of COVID-19. The government carries the theme of acceleration, reactivity, and recovery of tourism and the creative economy, namely by taking policies that will take strategic steps in overcoming these problems. Besides that, the government will also carry out programs and steps for reactivity and recovery of Bali tourism in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. Policies that have been made by the government can also change and be updated. If the policy is out of date with regulation, laws, and others, it is necessary to update the policy again, because the policy will be updated to the condition of the times that develop. It also needs to be realized by the community that promoting tourism cannot be done individually, but must be done together, and the whole community must be involved.